So today I'm going to bring you an unboxing and my review of this NEEWER GP26. It is a NEEWER clamp mount with a flexible tube and phone clip action camera adapter. Basically what I want this for is, I do a lot of content creation, so I kind of want this to where I can get in those like obscure places to go ahead and set the camera up. And so that's the purpose of me buying this. Let's open it up and see what she's got inside. All right, so we've got our manual right here, which this should be self-explanatory, but I always say to read the manual because you just never know. Here we've got a phone clip. And a lot of people still use phones. Actually, right now I'm recording this video on a phone. All right, there's another phone clip. I like these phone clips because they've got the quarter 20 there, quarter 20 there. You can either do a vertical or a horizontal mount with it, however you need it. And here, another action camera clip, quarter 20 there. So we're good there with that one. All right, let's see what this is. This is the unit itself. All right, so we've got this supersized clamp right here. Looks like we're going to be able to get this around. Okay, that opens up pretty good there. And that'll just tighten up. We've got some rubber feet here, and these are adjustable. So I guess depending on what you're grabbing onto. Okay, and then this piece here, we got the quarter 20 here, which we can attach our phone mount to right here like this. Okay, or we can go ahead and get our action mount camera like this, on like that. Now this, okay, that's pretty stiff. But you know what? If you had to wrap it around something, you're going to want it to hold there for sure. If you were going to do something like this, where you wanted to stand it up, like so, you'll be able to do that and then use this as a base. All right, so now we got the action camera mounted. You know what? You could even use this as a selfie stick if you needed to. Right, hold it right like that. All right, so as you can see, here's the clamp right here. It's clamped onto the table nice and easy. You come right up and we got the camera right there. Now we're clamped onto a pole. Could be a pipe, pole, fence, whatever. And here we go, we got the camera right there. And then as far as wrapping it around, you see how this is here. There's nothing grabbing it here. This is just sitting on here by itself, and you can maneuver this where you need it to make it work the way you need it. So yeah, I think this clamp, this mount, flexible tube with the clamp for your action camera as well as your phone, I think it's going to be a good deal.